lush green campus of Vidyadeep.
प्रेममयी संसार बने, प्रकृति का हम वंदन करें। प्रेममयी संसार बने, प्रकृति का हम वंदन करें। ईश्वर की रचना पांच तत्व की, ईश्वर की रचना पांच तत्व की, दिल से अभिनंदन करें। प्रेममयी संसार बने, प्रकृति का हम।
Now Shali will take you on the tour of the fields with rich organic farming.
Boast of having many trees, fields, fruit gardens and flower garden, and also solar energy, biogas. The birds enjoy the natural beauty of Vidyadeep. There is a saying, living in harmony with our land is like living harmony with a friend. Hello friends, this is our clean green vegetable garden. We have planted this year chilies, tomatoes, cauliflower and cabbage. We also have in our campus many drumstick trees, and all these vegetables we, the sisters and the students in the boarding enjoy.
તમે જોઈ શકો છો મેથી, કાંદલિયાની ભાજી, કોરિયન્ડર, સ્પિનિચ. અમે ઓર્ગેનિક ખેતી કરીએ છીએ. ઓર્ગેનિક શાકભાજી ખાઈને અમે તંદુરસ્ત છીએ.
This is our fruit garden. You see the pomegranate tree. It's already flowering. My God, the plenty of flowers here. We'll get more fruits here. See the guava. You also have apple bora. You see the fig tree. Wow, it's already the figs are there already. We have lychee, gooseberry, dragon fruit. Chico is already giving fruit. Wow. We have papaya trees and many other fruit trees plant. Many other fruit trees are planted here. And I'm sure next year we will get the fruit. Definitely we'll get the fruit. All of you are welcome to taste this fruit.
कितना प्यारा लगे नजारा, हरा भरा हो ये फल फूल। कितना प्यारा लगे नजारा, हरा भरा हो ये फल फूल। फल फूलों से महके पवन, खुशियों का छलकाए नूर। फल फूलों से महके पवन, खुशियों का छलकाए नूर।
Hello friends, this is our circular vegetable garden. In this we cultivate many different varieties of vegetables and which is organic. This is called cauliflower, choli, methi, beans, brinjal and palak, which gives us a nutritious food. Also our students and we all of us work in this circular garden and we get good nutritious vegetables for our daily use. Hi, come, let us go to the herbal garden.
This is a herbal garden and we have many different kinds of herbal plants. Here you can see Brahmi and here you can see Parnafutti. Here we have planted aloe vera and here you can see Brungraj. Here we have planted lemongrass which we use to make herbal tea. And here we have Dodi, which is good for eyesight. Here we have planted cardamom, fig tree, and periwinkle. Here we have ajwain, aloe vera, and hardi jod plant. Here we have ardusa, which is good for cough and cold. Here we have akdo, which is good for asthma and many other things. We have gado, and we have three types of holy basil. Tulsar, we have planted damro and peppermint. Here we have planted shatavari.
Chalo, now let us go to the herbal medicine unit where our girls make the herbal medicine. Welcome, dear friends, to our herbal medicine unit. In this, there are different varieties of medicines which we prepare from our herbal garden. Just now, Asha has showed you. This is a herbal hair oil, and in this there are 21 herbs are used to make this, and this is very effective for the hair. This is a aloe vera tonic, and which is prepared for aloe vera gel, and it is very effective for the menstrual problems or as well as for the general weaknesses. This is a drumstick powder, and it is very good in BP as well as for anemia patients. This is a herbs which is good for irregular menstruation. This is a neem oil, and it is prepared from the neem seeds, and inside the seeds there is a small seed which is used to make this oil, and it is very effective for the skin infections. These are the tablets which is good for indigestion and also for the acidity problems, and these are used from different varieties of pepper, jeeru and so on. This is also very good in indigestion. This is a balm, and which is used for any pain or any this is a balm, and which is good for pain and headache, and also it is good for crack on the feet. This is Amrutdhara oil, and this is very good in pain and also for any swelling on the leg or on the feet or on the any part of our body, and which used for massaging. These are the medicines which we prepare, and we have good sale because our students' parents come and they buy this, and we also encourage our students to use all these herbal medicines, and which is very effective. Also they use. Also there are some families from our neighborhood come and they use this medicine and they buy these medicines.
Now we will go to the hostel and see how the hostel has benefited by using biogas and solar energy. This is a biogas plant from which biogas is generated. The raw materials that are put into this plant
our vegetable and fruit peels, and also the food waste that is collected from the hostel and from the community. Once the raw materials are put into it, biogas is generated, and this biogas meets our needs of the cooking gas partly of the hostel. Now I will take you to the terrace where our solar panels are erected. These are the solar panels from which use solar energy to generate hot water. Be it monsoon or winter or summer, our girls get hot water in the hostel. These panels behind me generate electricity from the solar energy. This electricity thus generated fulfills all the electricity needs of the hostel. So much so that our electricity bill is nil or zero. Now let us go to the college premises where we have an off-grid solar system. This is an off-grid solar system which the college premise uses. The entire college, be it the classrooms or the hall or the community rooms, and even our computer lab with 50 computers runs by the solar energy developed by this system. This solar system, off-grid solar system, has a battery backup. Even if there is a power failure, all our classes and our programs will take place because of this off-grid system.
We have solar dryer and we use this solar dryer to dry excess vegetables and herbal medicines. We also encourage the students to throw waste in different dustbins. Like we use green dustbin to throw wet waste and blue dustbin to throw dry waste.
प्यार करे सत्कार करे करे पालना प्यार से प्यार करे सत्कार करे हम करे पालना प्यार से इनके बिना ना जल ना बरसता जल बिना ना संसार है इनके बिना ना जल न बरसता जल बिना ना संसार है जागे जगाए यही राहों में जागे जगाए इन्हीं राहों में आओ मिल के गमन करें प्रेममयी संसार बने प्रकृति का
Our Learn and Earn project unit, where our students, after 1 year of their training at Vidyadeep, those who want to learn further, they come back to Vidyadeep and they learn here different articles like dresses, bags. They also stitch the uniform for the entire students at Vidyadeep. Here you can see they are stitching different types of bags. We started this to encourage our students at Vidyadeep not to use plastic bags so that we can serve the environment. So we have started to stitch different types of bags. They also started with the mini marketing bag. They stitched the marketing bag with a different compartment. Can you see here? There are so many compartments there where people can put different types of vegetables. Wow! Can you see the final product where our students are stitched? Can you see the bags? And in that is bag it is written, let us save the earth and say no to plastic bags.
We have Vidyadeep Community College. A part of all this which we show, the students were given ecological session through LEAF program. LEAF stands for Leaders in Environmental Action Force. Let's see what the students have to say about it.
Throughout the year, we have learned the session through PPT and videos. Importance of water, water protection and the sources of water. We had a beautiful prayer on Mother Earth, Cosmic Walk. This a story of cosmos, earth and human beings. We were given information and explanation of 5 elements: air, water, space, land and fire. We also were made aware of different pollutions like air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, voice pollution, and what the effects of pollution on human beings: global warming, greenhouse effect, climate change, weather, importance of trees, benefits of vegetables in our lives, and different kinds of gardens which we can grow in our circular garden, terrace garden, square garden, and herbal garden.
We were taught to make different kinds of manure of earthworm, manure of leaves, manure of cow dung, and we also made liquid manure and liquid pesticide.
We had practical session on making paper bags. We also had drawing competition, rangoli competition, and our theme was Save Environment. We are encouraged to use solar energy and biogas.
मुझे